Not me who learned the architecture. It was the effort of the entire team, and special thanks to the founder of Block Capital Protocol, Sheetal sir, and the lead blockchain developer of this protocol, Jayesh Yadav.
Hey everyone, I am Isha and today is the day 3 of building IRL with Block Capital team. So today I have Nishal with me who is smart contract developer at Block Capital. So Nishal, the first question to you is that how did you get into the crypto? Like how did you get into the blockchain development?
Okay, so I attended a local event at Ahmedabad where I get to knew about blockchain. People started like showing me like what actually blockchain does, and then after that I started researching on like what is Web3, what is blockchain. In detail, I like learned everything, and from there my interest in like blockchain and Web3 space is just skyrocketing. Like
Oh,
even now, I'm continuously learning new and new things.
that's actually great. Like I
Yeah.
think you had a great journey. So the next question is that before you started working for this protocol, like how many projects you work for?
Uh, 3 months ago, I was an internet company where I worked on two projects. One was a centralized exchange, and another one was a crypto trading bot. At the centralized exchange, I was working for the wallet management system, and on the crypto trading bot, I was working on the swapping router.
Oh,
So,
that's actually,
yeah,
I think you learn so much by building these projects.
yeah, definitely.
So I think you joined this company, I think you joined this protocol before just a week ago, right?
Yes.
So like how you learn complex architecture so fast? Like what's your key to learn this
Well, actually,
so
it's not
fast?
me who learned the architecture. It was the effort of the entire team, and special thanks to the founder of Block Capital Protocol, Sheetal sir, and the lead blockchain developer of this protocol, Jayesh Yadav. They both gave their painstaking efforts, and like they were literally explaining me the entire architecture from the scratch by like going through each and every contract and everything. So there's no way that a guy who is doing blockchain won't get this entire architecture fitted into his mind.
Oh, that's actually great. I think you have great team support.
Definitely.
Yeah, so the next question is that what's that one moment when you decided that yes, this is the protocol that I wanted to work for? Like what's that one moment?
Firstly, I will say the team spirit here is like very great. The entire team is continuously supporting me. Me being a beginner, I never felt like I was not the part of this protocol. They were always considering me in each and every meetings, in each and every discussions, asking for my opinions, and also like if I'm getting stuck anywhere, both Jayesh and Sheetal sir, they are both continuously like helping me out in each and every situation. There has never been a point where I have felt like I can't do this. I'm always able to push myself more and more with the help of the team and Sheetal sir.
Oh, that's actually really great. So you told that you attended so many events in last 1 year. So how many events do you attend and what's that one key takeaway from attending this much events?
Okay, so in the last year, I think I have attended more than 30 events. And recently, I went to Eat Global and many other side events at Delhi. So I'll say attending the events is a very mandatory part in any blockchain person. If someone wants to enter Web3 space, or if already he or she is a part of Web3 space, they need to attend the events because blockchain entirely works online. Like most of the guys who are building or creating the content, they are working online. Everything is almost online. So by attending the events, you get to know more people, you get new connections, you get to know about the communities that are working on some chains, or maybe you can say they are working on growth of a few things, right? So I definitely think that attending the event is the core part when someone is entering the Web3.
That's actually really great advice. So thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for watching us. See you in the next one.